Hello guys, my name is Siddharth and you are watching my YouTube channel 3 Sides. So today in this video, we will gonna discuss how you can make a radar with the help of Arduino Uno. So first of all, we will discuss what is radar. So radar is a device which you can detect the objects nearby. So we will gonna make this device with the help of Arduino Uno, servo motor and a sonar sensor. So this is the software with which you can detect the nearby objects. So welcome to 3 Sides, and if you are not subscribed to our channel 3 Sides, please subscribe. So first of all, we have to discuss what are the components needed for this project. So first of all, we will need servo motor, HCSR04 sonar sensor, then we will need Arduino Uno, breadboard, and then Arduino cable which we have to upload the code, and few jumper wires. Then without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to apply the glue gun on the servo motor and just paste this HCSR04 on a sensor on the servo motor, and then paste this Arduino Uno and servo motor on the breadboard. And this is the circuit diagram. The link of the circuit diagram is in the description area. Check the description area. So I'm just making this circuit according to the circuit diagram. Just follow the circuit diagram and you will make the normal connections. So now we will gonna connect the HCSR04 with the breadboard and the Arduino. So now the connections are ready, and we have just completed our circuit diagram. Then connect the Arduino with the laptop via USB cable, and here is the code. The link of the code is in the description area. You can check it out. Then select the port in which your Arduino is connected. In my case it is COM11, and select the Arduino board which you are using. Then upload the code. So the code is being uploaded, and here it is compiling sketch and uploading, and then done upload. Then the code is being uploaded. Then we will using this processing software. The link of this software is in the description area, and the code which we are using in this software is also in the description area. You can check it out. So this is basically the code with which we will gonna make a software representation of the sensor data collected by the sensor, and make represent on this sensor or on the screen via green lines and the red lines. Red line indicates object near the sensor, and the green light detects no object. Okay, it can also detect the distance. So this project was a really nice project, I think, and this is also a beginner project. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video and like this video, and please visit our website which is www.3sides.in.